So here in this problem, we need to find out the value of sine of angle 4x, and it's given that sine of x is 4 over 5 with x lying between 0 and pi over 2 when it's in the first quadrant. Let us begin. So we'll start with the given value of sine x. So here sine x equals to 4 over 5. So let's do one thing. Using this value, we'll try to find out the value of cosine of angle x, which will be simply equals to plus or minus the square root of 1 minus sine squared x. However, we'll be considering only the positive value because x lies in the first quadrant, and the first quadrant cosine of x is positive. So positive square root of 1 minus. Now in place of sine x, we're going to replace with 4 over 5 and square it. Now this is going to give us a value 3 over 5. So that's the value of cosine of angle x. Okay, now that I have the value of cosine of x as well as sine of x, we are ready to find out the value of sine of angle 4x. So sine of angle 4x, that's given by, so we are going to use a formula. So whenever we have sine of angle 2 theta, so that's given by 2 times sine of angle theta times cosine of angle theta. Now in a case, since we have sine of 4x, this will be simply equals to sine of 2 times angle theta. So theta is 2x here, which means we expand it to get 2 times sine of angle 2x times cosine of angle 2x. We can again simplify sine 2x. This is going to give us 2 times 2 times sine of angle x times cosine of angle x. So here 2 sine x cosine x, that's from sine of 2x, and now we're going to expand cosine of 2x. So cosine of 2x has also got its own formula. So we have cosine of 2 theta, which is given by 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta. Fine, we're going to use this. So in place of cosine of 2x, we have 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta. That's going to give us 4 times. Now what we'll do, we're going to multiply this. If we have 4 times sine of x times cosine of x minus 4 times 8. So sine of x times sine squared, this is x actually, sine squared x, that's going to be sine cubed x multiplied to cosine of x. Now we're going to substitute the value of sine of x with 4 over 5. Cosine of x will be 3 over 5 minus 8 times sine cubed x. So we'll have 4 over 5 whole cubed multiplied to cosine of x, that's 3 over 5. Now this is going to give us negative 336 over 625. Now this is going to be the value of sine of 4x.